Every summer, UAE temperatures can reach 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. The UAE's extreme summer heat is something every truck owner and driver should take seriously. The good news is that most of these problems can be prevented with regular inspections and timely maintenance. A quick daily inspection can identify small issues before they become expensive repairs or roadside breakdowns. One hot afternoon in the UAE could cost you thousands of dirhams in repairs if your truck is not prepared. Every summer, UAE temperatures can reach 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, putting extra pressure on truck engines, tires, batteries and brakes without proper maintenance. This extreme heat can lead to costly breakdowns and delays. In this video, we'll explain how the UAE summer affects your truck and share simple tips to keep it running safely and efficiently. Welcome to OpenFR8. If you are interested in trucking, logistics and transportation, subscribe to OpenFR8 for more informative videos. First, let's understand why the UAE summer heat is so tough on trucks. The UAE has one of the hottest climates in the world. During summer, trucks often spend long hours on highways carrying heavy loads while the engine works continuously in the extreme temperatures. The combination of high air temperature, hot road surfaces and heavy cargo makes every part of the truck work harder than usual. Cooling systems must remove more heat. Tires are exposed to hot road surfaces and batteries lose efficiency. Braking systems face extra stress. Without regular maintenance, these conditions can quickly turn a small problem into a major breakdown. Next, let's see why the engine and cooling systems are the first parts of the truck to be affected by the UAE summer. The engine naturally produces a lot of heat while running. In the UAE summer, the cooling system has to work much harder to keep the engine at a safe temperature. If the coolant level is low, the radiator is dirty or cooling fan is not working properly, the engine can overheat. An overheating engine may lose power, damage internal parts and even leave the truck stranded on the roadside. Before every long trip, drivers should check coolant levels, inspect hoses for leaks, clean the radiator and make sure the cooling fan is operating correctly. Preventive maintenance is much cheaper than repairing a damaged engine. Tire blowouts. Why they happen? Tires are one of the most vulnerable parts of the truck during summer. Hot road surfaces increase tire temperatures and as the air inside the tire expands, tire pressure also increases. If tires are already worn out, underinflated, overinflated or carrying more weight than recommended, the risk of blowout becomes much higher. A tire blowout at highway speed can cause serious accidents, cargo damage and expensive delays. Drivers should inspect tires before every journey. Maintain the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure and replace tires that show cracks or excessive wear. Let's now talk about the impact of summer heat on trucks, battery and braking system. First, extreme heat does not just affect your truck's battery, it can reduce its lifespan and leave you stranded when you least expect it. Second, high temperatures make your braking system work even odd, increasing brake wear and reducing stopping performance on the road. Third, ignoring battery and brake maintenance can lead to unexpected breakdowns, costly repairs and delayed deliveries. Fourth, a small battery check or brake inspection today can prevent major mechanical failures and keep your truck running safely. Fifth, protecting your battery and braking system means protecting your cargo, your income and most importantly your safety on every trip. Another hidden effect of the UAE summer heat is higher fuel consumption. Let's find out why. Extreme temperatures can also increase fuel cost. When the weather is very hot, the engine and the air conditioning system work harder, forcing the engine to consume more fuel. Traffic congestion, frequent idling and carrying heavy loads during summer can further reduce fuel efficiency. Poor tire pressure and the dirty air filters are also increased fuel consumption because the engine has to work harder. Keeping tires properly inflated. Service the engine regularly, avoiding unnecessary idling and planning efficient routes, and this can help to reduce the fuel expenses. Essential summer maintenance checklist. Before every long trip, make sure to check the coolant level and inspect the radiator to prevent engine overheating. Test the truck's battery, check the tire pressure and tire conditions, and inspect the brake pads and brake fluid to ensure the safe driving. Also check the engine oil. Make sure the air conditioning system is working properly and inspect the belts and pipes for any cracks or leaks. Spending just a few minutes on these simple checks before every journey can help prevent costly repairs, reduce downtime, and keep your truck running safely throughout the UAE summer. Finally, let's discuss the most important topic: tips to prevent truck breakdowns. Avoid driving during peak heat whenever possible. Avoid driving 12 pm and 3 pm when the temperatures are at their highest. Second, watch your engine temperature. Keep checking the engine temperature gauge and stop immediately if the engine starts overheating. Third, never ignore warning lights, dashboard warning lights, or early signs of a problem. Fixing them early can prevent major breakdowns. Fourth, check tires before every trip. Inspect tire pressure and look for cracks or wear, as hot roads increase the risk of tire blowouts. Fifth, carry emergency supplies. Always keep extra coolant, drinking water, and basic emergency tools for unexpected situations. Sixth, follow the maintenance schedules. Service your truck all time instead of waiting for the parts to fail. Preventive maintenance saves both time and money. Seventh, inspect your truck regularly. A quick daily inspection can identify small issues before they become expensive repairs or roadside breakdowns. The UAE's extreme summer heat is something every truck owner and driver should take seriously. From engine overheating and tire blowouts to battery failures, brake wear, and higher fuel consumption, the heat can affect almost every part of the truck. The good news is that most of these problems can be prevented with regular inspections and timely maintenance. Following these simple tips can protect your truck, reduce unexpected breakdowns, save on repair costs, and keep your business running smoothly. Remember, truck earns money only when it's on the road, not when it's in the repair shop. Don't forget to watch our previous video about UAE Saudi border delays explained. 7 documents truck drivers must carry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical trucking tips, UAE logistics updates, and industry insights. Thanks for watching.